Welcome to the High Jump Academy lesson on installing Profit on Demand for Windows. In this lesson, you will learn how to properly install the Profit on Demand client, what you'll need to log in, and what to expect when logging into the Profit on Demand portal for the first time. Before getting started, you will need your user login information for the portal. If you do not remember your login information or don't have it saved, you will need to contact our support team to reset your password. To begin, log into the portal at https://apps.profitondemand.com. On the lower right hand side, click the link for downloads. Next, click the Windows client link and wait for the download to complete. Once the download is complete, click Run to install the new client. Click through the prompts and agree to the End User Software License Agreement. Click on the Finish when it is complete. You can now use the desktop icon to log into the new portal. After logging into the portal, you'll see several icons, including Retail Vantage. Double-click an icon to launch applications from the portal. If you're using the software for the first time, we recommend using the demo database to learn Retail Vantage in a test environment. The password for all demo users is demo, and it is not case sensitive. Once you have successfully logged into the Retail Vantage software, your installation is complete. This concludes the High Jump Academy lesson on installing Profit on Demand on Windows. In this lesson, you learned how to properly install the client on a Windows system, how to log into the portal for the first time, and how to launch applications including Retail Vantage from the portal. This completes the lesson on installing Profit on Demand for Windows. Thank you for watching.